Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best PH4967 Fram oil filter, a top-rated choice that promises to keep your engine running smoothly for up to 10,000 miles. If you're looking for reliable engine protection and hassle-free oil changes, this is a must-watch. The Fram Extra Guard PH4967 is an automotive replacement oil filter designed for a variety of vehicles. Its standout feature is its ability to provide lasting protection for up to 10,000 miles, making it perfect for drivers who perform regular maintenance and need something that will stand the test of time. This filter is compatible with both conventional and synthetic oils, offering you flexibility no matter what type of motor oil you use. What sets the PH4967 apart from other oil filters is its advanced filtering media. Fram combines cellulose and glass fibers to create a blend that captures up to 95% of dirt and particles that can cause harmful engine wear. That means your engine stays cleaner and runs more efficiently, reducing the likelihood of costly repairs in the future. Installing the PH4967 is made easier with FRAM's SureGrip coating. This non-slip surface gives you a better grip when removing or installing the filter, so you don't have to worry about struggling with slippery filters during your oil change. Whether you're a daily commuter or someone who takes their vehicle on long trips, the PH4967 is designed to meet the everyday needs of drivers. It's engineered with a silicone anti-drainback valve, ensuring that oil doesn't leak back into the engine when the vehicle is turned off, which helps prevent dry starts and provides smoother engine performance. For those who perform routine vehicle maintenance, this oil filter is designed to meet manufacturer-recommended oil change intervals, giving you peace of mind that your engine is well protected with every oil change. With its proven durability and solid performance, the PH4967 Fram oil filter is a solid investment for anyone looking to maintain their engine's longevity. To sum it up, if you're in the market for an oil filter that combines reliability, easy installation, and long-lasting performance, the PH4967 from Fram is the one you want. It's designed to meet the needs of everyday drivers while providing top-tier engine protection. Don't forget to check it out next time you're in need of a replacement oil filter. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.